Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with the instructional video of a basic line dance move. All right. In our soul line dance, you may see your instructors call out a pretty girl. Right. So what is that? It's real simple. It's just to step out and then cross. Okay. So you're going to step out with the right and then cross back with the left. Normally, you're going to do a series of pretty girls. So now that your legs are crossed, you're going to step out with that left and then back behind the right. Okay. So let's do two pretty girls together. Step out, back, out, back. All right. And when you do them, you'll see a little bounce when you move, when you do them. So I'm going to turn to the side. We turn to this side. All right. So out, cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross. Okay. Those are pretty girls. Right. Out, out, cross, out, in, out. All right. Try this angle. Out, cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross. You see what I'm doing with my body? All right. It's kind of like contracts, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Those are pretty girls. Okay. That's it. That is your pretty girl. All right. Hopefully this video helps. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'm keeping them coming. See y'all on that dance floor. Y'all take care. Mwah. Love you. Mwah.